Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's make some delicious Puerto Rican limbers de parcha. So let's get into it. Alright, so for our limbers de parcha, I'm going to use a 14-ounce thawed bag of Passionfruit pulp. You can find this either at your Puerto Rican grocery store or even a Mexican grocery store. This has no sugar added. And then I'm going to use some passionfruit juice. This is about 34 ounces. It's 33.8 ounces. So about 34 ounces of passionfruit juice. And I find the combination of the two gives it the best texture. And then I'm going to be using these cups for my limbers. These are 5 ounces. You can use the ones that are a little smaller. They're like 3 ounces. You can use the 8-ounce cup, however large you want your limbers to be. I like these because they're not too big and not too small. So I went ahead and I added the entire bag of passionfruit pulp into my bowl, and then I'm going to add the entire passionfruit juice into my bowl as well. And by the way, I do have a limber playlist on my YouTube channel. It's an ongoing playlist, meaning that every time I come out with a new limber video, it goes in that playlist. So if you want to see some other flavors that I've come out so far, be sure to check that playlist out. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar. In total, I added 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And I am going to have all of the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. But I added my sugar a little at a time because I just want to make sure that it was just right for me. Now, if you want your limbers to be creamy, you can replace all of the sugar for 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And after my limber mixture is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use a spoon and just kind of like scrape the foam, because after whisking it all together, it made a lot of bubbles. The bubbles doesn't ruin the limber at all. This is just for aesthetics, just for looks. So I was able to fill 10 5-ounce cups of limbers. So depending on the size of your cups, you may make more or you may make less. And the best thing to do is to put your empty cups on a sheet, like on a pan first, and then fill up your limbers, rather than just filling the cups and then trying to transfer them into the freezer. This way it's a lot easier and you prevent spilling the mixture. And just like that, my limbers are done. They came out amazing. And of course, my absolute favorite way to enjoy a limber is to use the warmth of my hands to gently squeeze the limber out of the cup. And if you want to like flip it over upside down, even better. So if you've enjoyed today's video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.